Hi Beach, and welcome back to my channel. I got another Dolls Kill haul coming right at you. They have Cyber Monday and Black Friday deals going on right now. I'm gonna tell you what those look like. November 17th through the 19th is their before Black Friday sale, up to 60% off everything black. November 20th through November 23rd is their black and pink sale, up to 60% off everything black and everything pink. November 24th through the 28th is their Black Friday sale, up to 70% off site-wide. And of course, November 29th through December 1st is the Cyber Monday sale, up to 80% off site-wide. And as usual, you will find names, links, and sizes to all of the products I review in this video in the description box down below with my current measurements for your viewing reference. Before we get into this haul, I have a PR unboxing for you guys. Thanks to Dolls Kill. I get so excited when they send me these PR boxes with goodies. Thank you guys so much. You take care of me. All right, guys. Are you ready? I'm ready. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I always love it when they send me a card. Thank you guys so much. I love that you handwrite these, by the way. So let's see what we got going on in here. Oh my God. Look at all these goodies. This is amazing. Oh my God, I'm so excited. We got so many things in here. Okay. We got a trucker hat girl. Yep. Snapback. Looking cute. It's a dog tag. Look, it has Dolls Kill on the front of it, on the bone, and then on the back it says, if found, please return to dollskill.com. We gotta put all the merch on, of course. What else we got? Oh, we got underoos. You already know they always hook your girl up with some underoos. Here we go. They're pink underoos. We got these pink underoos. It says Dolls Kill in rhinestones, baby. Oh, your girl's butt is about to be popping. We bedazzling the cake. We got a t-shirt. Hello. Ooh, this is big enough to be a t-shirt dress. Yep. That's how we gonna wear this, is a t-shirt dress, girl. Pink tie-dye. Got a velour tracksuit. Oh, baby, whoa. Okay, girl. Velour tracksuit? Are you kidding me? It's a crop tracksuit top. Look at the back. Oh, we bedazzling my whole body now. We got the pants. Oh, freaking sick. There's Dolls Kill on the butt. What? Oh, that's awesome. Okay, we got a smiley dripping on the front. Oh my God, I absolutely love this. This is everything that came in the box. This is one of my favorite PR boxes officially. So of course we have to try everything on. Hi Beach. Dolls Kill is the plug. Aw yeah, Dolls Kill got me here looking cute as fuck. Oh my God, I love everything. Look at all this merch. It looks so bomb. Come on now. We got some cake stuff going on. Hold on. Booty peeks. Thank you guys so much for this PR package. I am absolutely obsessed with this outfit. I saw it as a product photo. A model had this top and this skirt together and they complement each other perfectly. The skirt has a zipper going up the back. It has this cute little bow on the front. And it's kind of like if you were wearing something with polka dots, except it's little hearts that go all the way around here. And it does have a liner underneath here, so nothing showing through. I did struggle a little bit to get the wrinkles out. I'm really disappointed in myself, and I think I burned myself twice with my steamer trying to get the wrinkles out. The shirt is super comfortable, super easy to get into. It's very stretchy. It's mesh material. It has elastic bands on the cuffs of the shirt. Look at all that extra room. And even though it's mesh, there are these hearts on it. Here are the hearts on it. I had to turn my light down, but it's very soft and suede textured, and it goes all the way around the back as well. You can see all of the hearts are textured on the back, and the back is see-through unlike the front. So underneath the front side of the top is this pink liner. That's why the front isn't see-through, but the back is. I opted to wear pasties underneath this instead of obviously wearing a bra because it would show through. And of course, I paired it with my favorite Sugar Thrills heels. So if you watched my last haul, I have the same dress except instead of a bunny, it was a panda. So now I have the bunny because I have a bunny. It just all made sense. The material is so freaking soft. It is just, girl, is satiny, smooth. Oh my God, it's got these little cute little embroidered ruffles at the bottom, adjustable straps in the back. Obviously the sides are all the way cut out, so you need to wear something under here unless you're gonna use some fashion tape to tape your boobies on here. And I wore the long sleeve shirt that I was just wearing because it's from the same collection and it goes so well with this. I knew I was absolutely going to love this fit. You have to get the cardigan and the skirt separate, but it's totally worth it, okay? The mini skirt is mini, is very tight. It's sweater material. There isn't a whole lot of wiggle room in here, so definitely go up a size, especially if you're concerned about it shrinking when you clean it. And then the cardigan, obviously crop cardigan, buttons in the front. And there are cuffs around your wrist. And I would say it's a very thick quality material. And yeah, this cardigan, again, it's a little on the snug size. So if you're gonna layer, you're gonna wanna wear something thinner underneath it. And of course, just be mindful of, you know, something showing through here. I'm only pointing this out because I have pasties on. I didn't put a bra on. Yep, we lazy girl up in here. So I feel pretty warm wearing this and comfortable, even though it's a very snug outfit. This is actually keeping me warm as I film in my very cold basement right now, so it's very refreshing, okay? Just remember, if you're gonna layer, wear something thinner underneath this. And it makes my butt look cute. It's gonna make your butt look cute too! This is obviously a very wintry, snow bunny kind of look with the impending holidays, and winter is coming. So you can get this outfit right on time. This is a pretty traditional knit sweater dress. It's super, super comfortable. The material is very soft. The patterns on here are, I think it's snowflakes, ribbons, like bow ribbons, teddy bears, and hearts with little wings. Okay, it's very freaking cute. And you can cinch the waist with these furry ball strings. It's not a super tight form-fitting kind of dress, as you can see. It's a little stretchy, not like a whole lot of stretchy. And I wouldn't say, like, again, I don't think it's very form-fitting, like tight form-fitting. It just feels like it's very flattering, and I just feel really comfortable wearing this. And I will probably wear it at some kind of holiday party if I had friends who would invite me to holiday parties. Aw, yeah, lazy girl shiz. This is a super simple outfit. You know why? Because it's simply a sweater dress. Pull it over, bam, you're good to go. Lazy girl style. It is very thick sweater material. It's got a cat with some presents, and we got more furry balls on here. Lots of furry balls.
That's what she said?
It's very free flowy. It's not supposed to be like super form-fitting or anything like that. And I took my heels off because I would not be wearing heels with this. I mean, you can do what you want, girl, but I ain't wearing heels with this.
Just saying.
Ho, 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 beach. You better watch the curve because Santa's coming to town. I am bringing Christmas to you right here, right now. Okay, we're gonna get into the holiday spirit with this one, okay? This is obviously a Santa-inspired dress. It's got that nice, soft, like velvety material. And of course the trim, you know, the feathery white trim. And guess what? We got more balls. The straps are these little poof balls. So they are adjustable. You can make them tight, you can make them loose, but just know you got balls on your shoulder. It was a little bit difficult to shimmy myself into this. It's not like a super stretchy kind of dress. So yeah, if you're worried about like your hips and everything, stretching out the seams while you try to pull this up, you're gonna want to go up a size. I'm sure you could put it the other way on, but I didn't do that. So you're on your own with that one. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, let me know in the comments down below which outfit or product was your favorite or least favorite from this haul. Make sure you check out those Cyber Monday and Black Friday deals on screen right now. Thank you so much, Dolls Kill, for that PR box. I love them and their PR boxes. I get so excited for them. And remember to watch the curve on your way out. Jingle balls, jingle balls, jingle balls on my shoulders. Dolls Kill got me looking cute as fuck. Girl.